kids! Welcome back to another episode of Learning with Little School. Today, we're going to have some fun learning comparatives with my family. Comparatives are words we use to compare two things, like saying someone is taller or shorter. It's going to be a blast, and you'll get to meet my awesome family members along the way. Are you ready? Let's go! I can't wait to introduce you to everyone. First, meet my mother and my father. My father is taller than my mother. He always stands out in family photos because of her height. My mother is stronger than my father. She can lift really heavy things and is always there to help when we need something moved. Next, meet my sister. My sister is younger than me. Even though she's younger, she's really smart and always knows the answers to my questions. She always helps me with my homework. I don't know what I'd do without her help. And this is my brother. My brother is older than me. He's like a role model to me and always looks out for me. He's also faster than me. He can run super quickly. We love racing each other, but he always wins. Let's not forget about my grandparents. My grandfather is funnier than my grandmother. He knows so many stories and always has great advice. But my grandmother is better at cooking than my grandfather. She makes the most delicious meals that everyone loves. She makes the yummiest food. Our family dinners are always a treat because of her amazing cooking. I have some cousins too. My cousin Tom is taller than my cousin Sarah. It's funny to see them stand next to each other because of the height difference. But Sarah is braver than Tom. She loves to try new things. She's always up for an adventure and isn't afraid to take risks. So remember, kids, comparatives help us describe how people are different in fun ways. They make it easier to talk about the unique qualities of each person. Tall, kind, strong, funny, young, old, fast, funny, good at cooking, and brave. These are just some of the ways we can describe people using comparatives. Thanks for learning with me today. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed meeting my family and learning about comparatives. See you next time, Learning with Little School. Have a great day, everyone.